Rachel, is just fill this with hot water.
Okay.
And you put this through here. Like that.
Go through there.
And then you just set this in the toilet. And overflows here.